Hello you guys, and welcome back to Poopin' Noir's channel. Today I will be doing a full wash day routine for 4C hair. Before we jump into this video, hit that subscribe button below, turn on your notification bell for future videos. Thank you. Today I will be doing a quick wash day routine with my niece. She has 4C hair. As you can see, I already started by pre-pooing her hair, and the product I use to pre-poo is Cream of Nature's Clay and Charcoal Mask. I used the Cream of Nature Clay and Charcoal pre-poo detoxifying clay mask, and as you can see, her hair, I don't know if you can see it on camera how nice and moisturized it looks already. I'm gonna let the pre-poo stay for at least half an hour because her hair is very dry and it needs as much moisture as possible. Alrighty, so I am about to get started. I'm about to get started with the back. As you can see, this side is already pre-pooed. I am about to move over to this side of her head to bring some moisture before shampooing. And as you can see, this is her trouble area, so we're gonna focus on moisturizing. Okay, first thing I do, I section her hair. Now you try to keep your head up, okay? Is section her hair, then I pin away the section I am not using, then I wet her hair. I spritz it with some water first, and I'm treating her hair like I would treat my own. I do not apply any products to dry hair, so wet it first. Make sure you wet the hair completely. And then once you do that, as you can see, her hair has, what I would say, low porosity. So the water kind of just sits on top of the hair. So it's going to require a whole lot more. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with the clay mask, the pre-poo clay mask. I usually put a generous amount because, once again, her hair is very dry. It's thick and low porosity, so I have to put a nice amount of the product in. And I work my way in. Nay, am I hurting you?
No.
Okay. Remember, you have to always be gentle with the natural hair. It's not a fight. It's love. So, I apply it to the base, troubled area. And just kind of finger detangle a little bit. I don't bring it all the way down. I just bring it from the roots. See the ends? I like to spritz it with some more water and apply some of the clay mask directly to the ends after I cover the roots. And for someone with this type of hair, I would pre-poo every time before wash day, because you want to get as much moisture to the hair as possible. The more moisture your hair have, the better the health, the easier to manage, so on and so forth. So once I completely cover her hair, I go in with Denman Brush, is that what you call it? Go in with this brush. By the way, this brush hates my hair. But her hair loves it. and it loves her hair. So I begin to detangle from the ends, little at a time, and then work my way up. So typically I wouldn't hold it like this. I just want you guys to see how I detangle her hair, because I don't want my arm to block you, but once again, if the section is too thick, don't be afraid to part it into a smaller section. And if you feel like the hair is still dry, don't be afraid to go in and add more product. You have to be generous with the product if need be. So I had to separate because her hair is thick. Now, am I hurting you?
No.
Okay. So you have to be gentle. Natural hair has to be something that our younger kids take pride in, not as a traumatic experience as most of us had as kids. Okay. Alright, so my hands are all slipping away. As you can see, I don't know if you can notice the shine already. Tilt your head back, babe. I don't know if you can notice the shine already, or even when I detangle, how her ends is like more detangled than before. But what I do is that I still add a little bit more of the product. Once I detangle, I add more until I feel like her hair is completely slippery and moisturized and covered. Once I do that, it's all massaged in, I detangle again. And see, it's easier this time. And you could even see her coil pattern. Her coil pattern, you can see it. It's nice and defined. It's nice and shiny. I love that part. Once I do that, I twist it and then move on to the next section. Like I said, I will let her hair pre-poo for about half an hour because I will be styling her hair. But I just wanted to pre-poo, shampoo, condition, deep condition, and then I will be blowing out her hair, well, stretching out her hair, I want to say, with a blow dryer, because I am going to put it in box braids, but I want the box braids to last at least a month. So most of us know that hairstyling on stretched out hair tend to last longer with coily curly hair. Okay, now I'm back. Her hair has been rinsed from the clay mask, shampooed, conditioned, and look at how nice and clean her hair looks. This is what I used to shampoo. This is the purifying charcoal detox shampoo from OGX. Not too sure how you pronounce this company. And this is what I use to condition. So I used the charcoal detox combo. And now, as you can see, her hair is so nice and clean. Now I am going to deep condition using, I'm going to be conditioning with Aunt Jackie's Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask. And once I apply this, I will leave it in her hair, I want to say, for about 2 hours, because I want to get as much conditioning as possible, and I am not going to use heat because I will be using heat later on to blow out her hair, well, stretch her hair to prepare it for styling. I just wanted to point out, look at these little curls. This is the little curls after pre-pooing, shampooing, conditioning. I love it. Love, love, love it. So now I am going to section off her hair to prepare her hair for the hair mask to deep condition. And remember, this process is best for very, very dry hair. So I usually work in 4 major sections first for her hair. I'm going to section it into smaller parts. But for now, we're going to start with 4. She has major shrinkage. Major, major shrinkage. Section 1. And as you guys notice, I have not used a comb yet. I would recommend to use your fingers a lot when the hair is thick and coily. This is a quick texture look. Okay, look at this. Look at these textures. Look at her ends. Look at these little curls. If you guys can see, before she had no definition, and this is just from shampoo and conditioning. I love it. And look at her scalp. Looks so nice and healthy. And her hair looks so nice and healthy. So you definitely know this hair is moisturized. Her hair picks up lint, which some hair do pick up lint, but I just, check it out. But her hair's very clean. Okay, and we're gonna clip this piece away. I'm gonna start with this bottom section. Okay. Okay, so Nay, I'm just gonna turn you around a little bit, okay? So we can see the back. I've never used the Aunt Jackie's Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask, so hopefully it works for her. Because I've never used it for myself, and I'm not too sure how it's going to turn out for her, but we're going to give it a go. So I'm just going to take some, and so far I like the consistency. It's nice and thick, so I can tell that it can be moisturizing, or it will be moisturizing for her. Ooh, actually it is. Ooh. Nice, okay.
Ooh, it smells good.
I know, right? Okay. We're going to section it off. This clip is going to be hard because my hands are slippery. Let's switch it out for this. Alrighty. I'm adding some more. Told you I am very, very generous with this, with adding products to her hair. Ooh, okay. Maybe it won't be that easy to detangle. Okay. Am I hurting you, Nay?
No.
Okay. Put your head down. Good. Okay, it's nice and thick and moisturizing. And then I'm just going to twist it. And then I'll move on to the next section. Alright. I'm going to repeat these steps. Ui. Neja, chevaux sont pas que travail, oui. Mes amis. Chevaux is no joke, petit.
Every 2 weeks.
Power to your mama. Because your hair is thick.
But she doesn't do all those steps that you do.
Yeah, I'm doing all these steps because your hair was too dry. See? Nothing, no breakage. That's why you have to take all these steps. Look, nothing in this brush but product. Okay, now we are all done with adding the deep conditioner. Nay, you're gonna have to turn your whole body, like face the door, face the door, face the door. Face the door. There you go. Okay, so now you guys can see her hair is completely coated. Look how nice and shiny it is. I know you see the white residue, but that's because she didn't deep condition yet. It's gonna go away. Nay, turn your head this way. There you go. See? It is, her hair is completely covered, nice and shiny. Tilt your head back, babes. You guys can see, hold on, head up a little. You can see the waves here. See the waves? That's what you call moisturized hair. Right, Nay? Turn this way. Girl, I want to see the side of your head. See? There you go. Turn. We're going to turn your body around. Boom. Tilt your head this way. There you go. And there you go. So now we're going to put on a cap so she can deep condition for the next 2 to 3 hours, and I can just chill and unwind, rinse, LCO method, and then rest because tomorrow is style day, right?
Yes.
And now she'll be set for the next 2 to 3 hours. Now I am sectioning her hair into 4 parts before I begin the L.O.C method. I'm going to start off with the Aunt Jackie's Quench leave-in conditioner as her L. Her hair is already wet, so I already have water as the first part of the liquid. I just use a dime size and massage it into her hair before I split it into smaller parts to be able to get more moisture into her hair. So after I clip off that section, I will now go in with Pressy G's Emerging Oil. And I just put a couple of drops in my hand, and as you can see, it's, very loose in texture. I just massage it into her hair completely before I now go in with the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream as her C. And I just put a little bit, as you can see, into that small section. Rub it in my hand, massage it in, completely coat her hair before I go in with my Denman Brush to detangle her hair. And remember this process, you take your time, you start from the ends and work your way up. After detangling with the Denman Brush, I went in with the comb just to get more detangling in, and then voila, her hair is all twisted, nice and moisturized, and she's smiling because she's happy. But then tomorrow we have a whole new day to style. So stay tuned, watch part 2 of this video to see how I style my beautiful type 4C niece's hair.